The Sound of Magic, also known as Annarasumanara, is a Netflix original drama based on the webtoon of the same title. Top Hallyu actor Ji Chang-wook, rookie actress Choi Sung-eun, and popular rising actor Wang In-yu are confirmed. Choi Sung-eun is a new actress who debuted in 2019. She acted in the movie, Startup, and the drama, Beyond Evil. Ji Chang-wook is one of the most popular Hallyu actors with his acting in hit dramas, Empress Ki, Healer, The K2, and Suspicious Partner. As for Wang In-yu, he is currently one of the most popular rising actors, with his acting as the lead in the drama, True Beauty. He has gained a lot of fans, and that especially overseas. With his spectacular increase of followers, he is now one of the most followed actors on Instagram. Many are looking forward to his new project. Yoon Ah-yi is a high school student, but she supports herself and her younger sister by working part-time jobs. She doesn't know where her parents are. Her father was driven away from home because of debt collectors, and her mother then left home. Even with her poor financial situation, she is able to rank near the top at her school academically. She also has a pretty appearance. Yoon Ah-yi wants to become an adult as soon as possible to have a stable job. Meanwhile, her classmate is not too dumb. He regularly competes with Yoon Ah-yi to receive the top grade, but they begin to have feelings for each other. One day, Yoon Ah-yi meets magician Lee Aeul at an abandoned amusement park. He puts on magic shows to people who tell him they believe in magic. He is a mysterious person, but he comforts Yoon Ah-yi, who told him that she believes in magic.